Bloom's Candy and Soda Pop Shop is an old-fashioned sweet shop that brings people's childhood memories to life. Michaela Vasquez is one of the workers who helps run the store.
But I love working here, and my favorite part that really changed me is how happy the customers get when they see something from when they were kids and their eyes just light up.
Vasquez isn't the only one who feels this way. Customers at the Bloom's Candy and Soda Pop Shop also notice the unique of the store.
Usually you don't go to like a normal gas station to find bacon chocolate, and it was good when I tried it.
Trophy, like cool stuff, I guess. Like fun, like masks and candies and stuff.
Along with a wide variety of candies and merchandise that spawns across a generation, makes the shop memorable to each customer that visits.
People are just really happy to come here, and it's not just like a store that you come in and out of. It's like a whole experience. It's like, hey, you have to go down there. It's this really, really adorable, cute little shop. It's like, there's a reason to come here. It's not just the candy and the merchandise. It's the memories that you get to relive over and over again. And the music is freaking great.
For Katija Edwards, I'm Karina reporting for Gloria Shields.